Hello friends, myself Dr. M.B. Chougule would like to welcome all student friends to second year BTech Civil Engineering. In this today's lecture, we are going to cover the contents, introduction to syllabus structure of second year BTech Civil Engineering and introduction to the course Building Construction and Materials along with its laboratory. If you see the course structure for the semester 3, subjects I would like to tell you: mathematics for civil engineering, surveying, strength of materials, fluid mechanics, building construction and materials. These five subjects are there, and all the subjects are having SC1, SC2, and SEE final examination, and having the total mass 100 each. In the laboratory section, surveying, strength of materials, fluid mechanics, building construction and materials, programming and computational methods, and also one audit subject is there which is environmental studies. So total marks are 900 and total credits are 22 credits are there. Today we will discuss the syllabus and the structure of the building construction and materials. Total theory lectures are per week, 3 lectures will be there. Semester examination 1 will be of the 25 marks, semester examination 2 will be of the 25 marks, and SEE semester end examination that will be of 50 marks. Now for this subject, the knowledge required, or you can say the prerequisite, is the basic civil engineering that we have learned in the first year itself. So what are the course objective of this subject? So first one is to recall the history, necessity and the scope of civil engineering and construction technology and engineering properties of materials like bricks, steel, timber, cement, etc. Second is to elaborate the types of foundation, basic component parts of the building and their requirements. To illustrate the details of the brick bond, masonry work and properties of cement. To categorize the arches and explain design consideration with technical terms. Explain windows, doors, stairs, lintel, roof and roof coverings, also flooring materials. So what are the course outcomes? So first one is the at the end of the semester, I can say, or on the completion of the course, the students should be able to develop the ability and apply the technique of construction in the design of buildings, identify the foundation and basic component parts of the building and their requirements. He can able to illustrate the details of brick bond, masonry work, properties of cement, categorize the arches and explain the design consideration and technical terms, identify and state location and uses of the windows, doors, stairs, lintel as well as roof and roof coverings and also flooring. Now unit wise we'll just see the contents. Unit 1, it is having total 9 lectures in which engineering properties of the various materials are the stones, requirements of the good building stone, uses of the building stones, bricks, manufacturing, types and engineering properties, aggregates, fine aggregates and coarse aggregates, origin, types, particle size and shape, mechanical and physical properties, grading, sieve analysis, timber, natural and artificial wood and their application in the civil engineering, steel, standard sections, steel as reinforcement, high yield strength steel and high tensile steel, uses of steel in building construction, anti-corrosive treatments, cement, ordinary Portland, rapid hardening, low cost cements, main properties of this, tiles, ceramic tiles, vitrified tiles, natural stone, mosaic, paving blocks, etc. and some miscellaneous building materials like aluminium, glass, plastic, etc. Then we'll move to the unit 2, In the unit 2, we are going to study this for 7 hours. Basic requirements of the building as a whole: strength and stability, dimensional stability, comfort and convenience, damp prevention, waterproof techniques, heat insulation, daylighting and ventilation, sound insulation, and anti termite treatment. It also covers building components and their basic requirements: foundation, plinth, wall, columns in the superstructure, then floors, doors and windows, seals, lintels and weather shades, roofs, steps and stairs, utility fixtures, etc. Formwork for the basic RCC elements, ideal requirements and types: foundations, stepped, isolated, combined, strip, raft, strap and cantilever, file foundation, etc. Then unit number 3, it requires 5 lectures to cover the contents, in which comprises plain cement concrete, properties, grades and their uses, stone masonry, random rubble masonry, uncoarse rubble masonry, coarse rubble and ashlar masonry, brickwork, brick bonds, English, Flemish principles and observed during the constructions. Unit number 4, it comprises of 7 lectures which include the content: composite masonry, various partition walls, bricks, aluminum and timber, solid concrete blocks, hollow concrete blocks and lightweight concrete blocks, which is also called as the SIPO soil stabilized blocks, fly ash blocks, etc. Unit 5, which includes arches, arches and their stability consideration, technical terms in the arches, types of arches, methods of construction, lintel, necessity, materials, wood, stone, brick, steel, RCC and reinforced brick lintels, doors, classification: teakwood panel door, flush doors, aluminum glazed doors, steel doors, fixtures and fastenings, windows, classification: teakwood glazed windows, aluminum glazed windows, steel windows, fixtures and fastenings. Stairs, technical terms, requirements of good stair, uses, types, materials and required for the construction, design of stairs, dog leg stairs and open well. Then unit number 6, it requires 8 hours, which includes roofs and roof coverings, terms which are used in the this covering section, roofs and their selection, pitched roofs and their types, timber trusses, which include king post and queen post, steel trusses, types and their suitability, roof coverings and their selection, ground and upper floors, factors for selection of floorings, various types of tile floorings, natural and artificial flooring, material, concrete flooring, trimix flooring, construction of upper floors, RCC slabs, RCC beams and slabs, flat slab floor. Now, what are the various textbooks which are expected? Textbooks, so you refer the Hirasker, which is basic book for this basic civil engineering. Then SP Arora and SP Bindra, which is a building construction. Then also reference books are also available. BC Punmiya, building construction, Chakravarti, civil engineering drawing, Goyal, which is handbook of a building construction, Chudley, construction technology, RK Rajput, engineering materials, Sandeep Mantri, the very good book is there, which is A to Z practical building construction and its management, VB Sikka, a course in civil engineering drawing. Then also we required to study the IS code, IS 962 1989 code for the practice of the architecture and building drawings, SP 7 National Building Code, group 1 to 5, which is BIS New Delhi. Then we'll move to the laboratory work. For laboratory, we'll have to spend 2 hours per week in the laboratory. Then continuous that work is there, which is assessed evaluation as CIE as 50 marks, and prerequisite as I told that it is a basic civil engineering, and course objectives, and course outcomes that again associated with the theory itself. We have to recall the history, necessity, and the scope of civil engineering and construction technology, and engineering properties of materials like brick, steel, timber, cement, etc. To elaborate the types of foundation, basic component parts of the building and their requirements, illustrate the details of the brick bond, masonry work, and properties of cement, categorize the arches and explain the design consideration in technical terms, explain windows, doors, stairs, lintel, roof coverings, and also flooring materials. So, maximum all the course objectives in the laboratory work which are associated with the drawing and the practical work. What are the course outcome? The at the end of the semester, at the end of the course, the students can develop the ability, apply the techniques in the construction and design of building, identify the types of foundation, basic components or parts of the building and their requirements, illustrate the details of brick bond, masonry work, properties of cement, categorize the arches, and explain the design consideration in the technical terms, identify the and state the location and uses of windows, doors, stairs, as well as roof and roof coverings and flooring. So, what are the experiment lengths? This is divided into two parts. Part A comprises of the drawing to a scale, draw on a half imperial size sheet. So, which include first one is the foundation, isolated foundation, combined footing, under rim pile with reinforcement details. Second is a stone masonry, uncoased rubble masonry, coast rubble masonry. Third is brick masonry, English bond, Flemish bond. Fourth one is a doors, teakwood panel door. Fifth one is the windows, teakwood glazed window. Sixth one is the stairs, dog leg stairs and open wheel stairs. Seventh is the timber trusses, king post and queen post. Second part comprises of a sketchbook, which is having the 7 exercises there. Which first one is includes the lettering, symbols, types of lines, dimensioning as per the IS 962. Second is the stone masonry, ashlar chamfered, polygonal, tri masonry, doors, flush doors, revolving doors, collapsible door, rolling shutter. Fourth one is windows, lowered windows, sliding windows, bay window, casement window, dormer window, corner window, roofs, line sketches, line sketches of the trusses, steel trusses and for the different spans, stair, quarter turn, bifurcated, spiral, geometrical, and last one is the RCC, lintels and chajja. So these are the this is the experiment list in which we have to prepare the sheets and as well as to prepare the sketchbook. And this course, building construction material, is important as we are going to study all the concepts regarding the construction, and also we are going to study how to bring out all this on the drawing. So, drawing, which is also having the practical exercise to take the measurements. Also, we'll have to see various configurations, especially in case of the stairs, roofs, RCC components. So, and accordingly, we'll have to study the reinforcement as well. So, all these concepts are coming. So, this subject is interesting. Students can take the interest in the subject as all the basic concept regarding the associated with the final year examination, or you can say the final year subjects which are like design subjects. So all concepts are important in this subject. So today we will conclude this. Again in next lecture we are coming with the various aspects of the building construction and material. Thank you very much.